Another episode of the Geek Tech Show. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a video review between two different multi-tools, and they're actually going to be the same exact one, but there's different versions to them. So the original TTL Charge, the old version, versus the new Charge TTL version. Which one is the best one? Let's find out in this video review. And should you upgrade to the brand new Charge, and is this the one that you've been waiting for? If you did enjoy this channel, make sure you sub right now. There's a lot of cool and awesome content coming up to the Geek Tech Show. And lastly, of course, you're going to be checking out and seeing which one of those cases are the ones I should be keeping as well. I got both of them. Which one is better? The old or the new one? Let's get started right now. So I want to do a video review about the Leatherman TTL tool. I just got it in the mail. This is the new one. This is the old one. Which one is better? So the new one actually comes, I got the special edition version, and I got a gift here too. I got those awesome looking miniature tools that are included here. Definitely a plus, but this was a special offer. You probably are not going to get those. So really nice looking multi-tools miniatures that are included. This is why it comes in this package. Inside here, this is the old versus the new. And you're probably wondering which is better. Opening this up, we can tell a big difference between the old and the new shaft. Of course, this is the special edition one that I got from Camberos, and it is the camouflage version shaft with the multi-tool. And the new one looks like this. So the new one is kind of a different kind of a camouflage that is included to it, and they have two different shafts in here. Inside we also have the extra tools that you can use as well for this. It's the same as the other one too, but I do like this version of it much better than this, but it is a little bit more beefier. Now, between both of them, you can see right here, big difference in style. I like the original one right here. There's even a spot over here to put a special tool on both sides, and a location for you to put the bits right in here as well. This one doesn't open as easy. There's a place for the bits too, right here, but between those two, this is definitely still the superior one. Now, the biggest difference is between both tools, and you're probably wondering which is the better one between both of them. They look kind of the same, nearly identical, but if you can see right here, for this one you can use a different tool to open them up. You need a special hexagon kind of a screwdriver, and this one you actually need a special tool that's going to grab this in order for you to open. I actually have one of those tools. I do not have this one, so hopefully I never have to open this up. In terms of looks, when I just initially got this, I was like, oh, this is awesome looking. And you can see the woodland camouflage sporting to it. Unfortunately, for me that is, I just saw this one on eBay. So it's going to be gone as soon as I'm done with this video review. This is my new one. I just bought this as well. And I got most of my money. I would say I got 100% of my cash right back from buying this one right here. Actually, I made money selling the older version for 160, buying this one for 120, $40 made right away on eBay. And now the big question is, did I make a mistake? That's up to you to post right down below if I did or not. Now, there's another difference between the old and the new version. In the old version, let's see why it's old. If you are going to be using it, it doesn't have the interchangeable thing here, the wire stripper, not included in this one because it's old. It doesn't have it. This feature is included in the new one, so if it does breaks, slipping wires, I can always change it around, so you can take them, both of them out on both sides and put a brand new in here. So this is definitely an upgrade between the old and the new version. Now, the knives. This is comparing the same exact tool, by the way. I don't think there's any difference between them. There actually isn't. It's the same exact thing. We got the same knife on both ends. Zero difference between that. Now, check the other tool here. This one right here, the saw. And it's the same saw included in both of them. No difference over here. Changing this around. Sharpener. I think it's like a knife sharpener or something. Same exact thing. No rust yet. Everything looks to be the same. Fish hook knife. That's what I call it. Same thing as well. It looks like the only big difference between both of them is those minor things that you can change over here, that you can open. And this one has only one thing that's going forward versus this one right here. It really does. It's only the only thing that really going for this one is that you can actually open this up using a multi-tool special tool to open it, and the one I got. Now, most people don't even have any of those tools regardless, so that would be not a game changer for you. On the other hand, this one has an ability for you to change the pliers. So if you do break it, you can change it. This costs almost next to nothing, and this one, if you break it, that's it, you're stuck. So if you're trying to save money getting the older version, well, if you can find it around, the only real benefits is this. You're getting a very nice handy case for you to keep. Other than that, this case I actually dislike. But you might think, well, if I dislike it, how come I sold it? I really just sold it because I didn't like this paddling too much. I'm picky. I like this paddling more. In fact, I sold it with this one packed inside. So what did I sell? I sold this with this one for $169. It was sold within less than 20 minutes. That's right, this was sold just like that with the bit tool included. This was sold right away. This is how much a Leatherman holds its value. This is why this is just not a Lego multi-tool, the Leatherman. It is a collector's tool, and if you never use it, I do have some of them that I use, but some of them are the collector's version. This is something that holds its value really well. And if you don't need it, you post it up for sale, instant sale. So it's not something that you should just, if you're getting this, it holds its value. Not like one of those cheap made China tools. This is 100% made in USA, in good old USA, and they make this in Portland, Oregon. Amazing. So between both of those patterns, this is it. This one is the golden one. You definitely want it. You want to get this. I like this style. I like the looks, and pretty much 100% almost the same identical tool as well as the old version. So let me know down below if you think I made a good decision making an extra $40 selling the old version and getting the brand new one and switching up the cases. A few other things about the Charge is the small multi-tools that are included on both ends on the side over here. Let's check them out. So we have this tool right here. We have the miniature scissors right here. When it comes out, it never goes back in. And we also have this wheel tool right here as well. Let's put them all together. This is on one side. And it also features right here, you can see a bit of a marker. So you can actually measure something in case you actually need to. And it comes in both ends over here as well, which is very handy. Now on the other side, and one other thing about this, unlike some other cheap multi-tools, this does come out pretty easily out of here. You don't need to use a lot of force to get them out. Sometimes one of them is the exception. And this one, you can see right here, it sports another cool tool right there. And the most important thing, of course, in the Charge is this right here. The ability for you to take those out, and we have bits you can just put in and use for different kind of purposes. And this is great because both of the Charge tools actually have that, and you can just stick them in and use it. So you don't need a bunch of different set of different tools. You have all of them pretty much included over here. Just think about how many different kind of multi-tools you potentially would actually need to carry on you to replace all the different tools that this bit set actually gives you. And this is just amazing. And it's all, best of all, it's all made in the United States. Put them in and you use them. Now the downside of the black finish is that it gets on your hands like that. That's the only thing I dislike about it. Thank you so much for getting all the way to the end, and of course you probably know what was my decision, and I have decided I'm keeping the new one. Not only I made $40 on this, I also got to keep a very nice looking case. So win-win for me, $40 extra. In case you want to learn how you can make money selling online products and making money on eBay, I have an exclusive offer just for you. There is a 12-hour huge, the biggest one on Udemy, course on this topic. How to make money on eBay, updated for the year 2020. You're gonna get an exclusive offer that is gonna expire in the next few days. So enroll now. There's gonna be a link right down below in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you decided to enroll. Not only that, please make sure to sub, like, and share this video, and see you in another episode of the Geek Tech Show.